Every Monday morning, security teams face the same logistical hurdle. The CISA releases a new batch of entries into their vulnerability catalog. This is the KEV, or Known Exploited Vulnerabilities Catalog. It lists the software flaws that are currently being weaponized by attackers in the wild. Processing a single entry involves reading the advisory, researching attack patterns, writing a detection rule, testing the rule, and manually notifying the team. This math is why security teams fall behind. It takes 4 to 6 hours to process one vulnerability. If CISA adds 10 new threats in a week, the manual workload equals 40 to 60 hours, an entire working week. This repetitive cycle increases the likelihood of human error and forces a delay between a threat being identified and a defense being deployed. While analysts are tied up with this administrative triage, they are unavailable to perform their primary function, hunting for active threats already inside the network. To bypass this manual bottleneck, we built a zero-touch orchestration pipeline. The system handles the entire intake and rule generation process, aiming to reduce that week of manual labor down to 0 minutes of human intervention. This pipeline runs on the N8N automation platform, which coordinates the movement of data between the KEV catalog and generative AI. By removing the analyst from the initial data entry phase, the Security Operations Center shifts the workload from human processing speed to machine execution. The process begins autonomously every Monday at 8 a.m. The pipeline connects to the CISA KEV Tucson API to retrieve the latest raw vulnerability data. This diagram shows the filtering stage, where the automation identifies and extracts only the relevant threats from the larger dataset. This filtered data is still just a description. To be useful, it must be converted into the specific logic that security tools use to block attacks. The utility of the system depends on this step. Ingestion is only productive if the raw data is immediately translated into actionable detection rules. For that translation, the pipeline uses Google Gemini. We use the model as a dedicated engine for writing detection code. The automation provides Gemini with a deterministic prompt. It feeds the model specific variables, like the CVE ID and vendor, alongside rigid constraints, such as specific Sysmon event IDs and MITRE ATT&CK mappings. The prompt includes instructions to include 3 to 5 condition filters. This is a technical requirement designed to prevent the rule from triggering false alarms. We also restrict the output format. Gemini is instructed to return only valid Sigma YAML code, with no conversational text, explanations, or markdown formatting. This level of prompt engineering ensures the AI functions as a precise engineering tool rather than a general-purpose chatbot. Automation is only effective if the results reach the security team through their existing communication channels. At 8:04 a.m., just 4 minutes after starting, the pipeline delivers a structured alert directly to the team's Slack channel. This alert includes the specific count of new weaponized CVEs and one-click buttons to view the logs or the underlying workflow. The system also generates a weekly email report. This contains a summary of the week's threats and a CSV file with all the new Sigma rules attached. By using multiple delivery methods, the pipeline ensures the intelligence is accessible for both immediate response and long-term tracking. Beyond the daily alerts, security teams also have to maintain records for compliance audits. Every vulnerability the pipeline processes is automatically logged into a Google Sheet, creating a permanent record of the threat and the generated detection rule. This provides an automated audit trail, giving the team instant proof of proactive management for compliance frameworks like SOC 2 or ISO 27001. Future versions of this pipeline will focus on closing the loop entirely by automatically deploying and testing these AI-generated rules within the incident response environment. By automating the hours of manual research and data entry, organizations can finally direct their security experts towards stopping attacks rather than managing spreadsheets.